Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of an LED garage light. This is manufactured by a company called JMTGNSEP, and it is sold by a seller on Amazon, KPBOTL. It comes with the contact information and some general instructions about the product. Here's the product itself. I have it being held in place. It's on a light socket. This is a very unique product because it allows you to give light in a garage or in your house with an ordinary Edison based socket. And you can see right here that there's three separate tiers of LEDs on an aluminum block for cooling. Combination of these three will produce 8,000 lumens, and we're going to measure some of that with a lux meter. This will light up 300 to 400 square feet of area, 360 degrees of light. And I mentioned it's simple Edison base. Now this product is CE approved, and there's a label on the back of it, and that means that it's compliant with health, safety, and environmental protection standards of the European Economic Area. So what that means to you is that this is a safe product thermally and electrically. The aluminum heat plates right here are very unique, very oversized, and you can see that they have air gaps in them, and we're going to measure that, and that's what allows the heat. Heat is the number one destroyer of LEDs. They're not like incandescent bulbs, which heat doesn't bother. So it's very important that they dissipate that heat properly, and this product does that. This uses 85% less energy than the equivalent regular bulb, which is really amazing. These should last over 50,000 hours of runtime before they need to be replaced, and that's many hours. That's years upon years of use. The seller gives you a 2-year unconditional warranty with free replacement if the product goes bad. So that's really nice. Now if you look here, it has a total angle adjustment on here. So you could take it and go from that angle right there and swing it back to that angle right there. So you have this positive and negative angle adjustment so that you could pitch it properly to your room. And as I mentioned, it's just got a basic Edison base on there, and all the cooling is done here and on these aluminum plates right here. Now we're going to turn this on, and I'm going to turn it away from the camera because this is extremely bright. I have the studio lights on right here. So on the side of the unit, I showed you the adjustability of this, and it has very nice stainless steel nuts and bolts on there. I have a calibrated magnet here. So this is not going to corrode in your garage, and it has a rubber seal on both sides and a flexible cable. So that angle could be adjusted over and over again, and it's not going to fray this cable because of those rubber supports right there. And these bolts are not going to rust. So I have the lights running for about a solid 5 minutes, and I can put my hand on here and I can feel a little warmth on the LED and much less on the aluminum plate. So if I go right across the LED right here, I see 120 some degrees, 122 degrees, 132 degrees. That's right on the LED itself. And then that LED is being dispersed and the heat is dissipated to this aluminum plate. So if I measure the aluminum plate, see it's about 90 degrees only. So the plate is diffusing that heat from there, keeping that at a lower temperature to protect those LED integrated circuits on there. And that's what you want. It's a sign that it was designed properly. I have a lux meter right here, and because this is a very dispersed 360 degree light, I can't collect all the light to do a test, but I can show you right here that at about 8 inches away, I'm getting over 6,000 lux, 5,200 lux depending on the angle. And if I went up to each light, it would be even brighter. You can see there it's almost 6,000. So that shows that this is producing a very large amount of lux. So what's my overall opinion about the JMTGNSEP LED Garage Light? I think this is a great product. This product runs cool, generates unbelievable amount of light, 8,000 lumen, and adjustment of your angle of the The light is very easy. Uses a standard Edison base. I think you can't go wrong with this. This would really light up your garage for a very long time, or any room in your house, also even a closet. So I really like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. If you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.